Hey there, science enthusiasts! Ready to uncover the secrets behind everyday phenomena? Let's dive in with a mind-blowing fact. Did you know that the same force that makes a balloon stick to the wall is actually used in MRI machines? Intriguing, right? Welcome to today's video where we'll unravel the science behind everyday phenomena. From the simple popping of popcorn to the mesmerizing formation of rainbows, science is at the core of it all. Let's explore how scientific principles govern the world around us. Have you ever wondered why popcorn pops or how rainbows form? These seemingly simple phenomena hold mysteries that can be explained through the lens of science. Join us as we delve into the underlying scientific principles that bring these phenomena to life, such as surface tension, heat transfer, and light refraction. Let's take a closer look at how these scientific principles play a role in our everyday experiences. Surface tension, for example, is what allows insects to walk on water. Heat transfer is the reason why your coffee cools down over time. And light refraction is what creates those stunning rainbows after rainfall. Science truly is all around us. Now, brace yourselves for a fascinating experiment that will showcase the science in action. Ever wondered how a microwave can help us understand popcorn popping? Stay tuned as we demonstrate this jaw-dropping experiment that will leave you in awe of the power of science. As we wrap up our journey into the science behind everyday phenomena, let's recap the key scientific concepts we've learned today. From surface tension to heat transfer to light refraction, these principles shape our world in ways we may not even realize. Science truly has a profound impact on our daily experiences. I hope you enjoyed uncovering the science behind everyday phenomena with us today. Now, it's your turn to share your thoughts. What's your favorite everyday phenomenon that you'd like to learn more about? Don't forget to subscribe for more intriguing science insights and join us on this fascinating scientific journey. Thanks for watching.